Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mapscan token. Now the Mapscan token, it was just announced, will be listed very soon on a very big central exchange. So they're getting a brand new central exchange listing coming soon. Ticker symbol for this token is MAP, M-A-P. We're going to go over the information on the Mapscan token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is mapscan.tech. Now you could find that linked on their Twitter right there. Now there's all sorts of links on their webpage here for an app wallet, blockchain, validators, tokens, resources, partners, API documentation. You can verify contracts, byte to opcode. They have a block scan chat, label world cloud, gas tracker, node tracker, dex tracker, you name it. There's an insane amount of links on there. Now it says Mapscan is a block explorer and analytics platform for Mapscan team, a decentralized smart contracts platform. Now at the top of their webpage, it says it's a product of Mapnode and Mapscan Proof of Stake Chain Explorer. You can put in the contract address. There's all sorts of stuff there. You could sign in, create an account. There's the mainnet. There's the test net. Looks like their document section is under construction right now. But anyways, it was just announced that this token will be listed. It says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list the MAP token from Mapscan soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So, if you are looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search MAP, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, their Twitter is at Mapscan_. It says Mapscan is a fast, safe, connects the community, enhance your analysis and security with Mapscan.tech. So it has a link to their webpage right there. They have 12,500 Twitter followers so far. Blue verified checkmark, 35 tweets. And then they talk about Mapnode, like I mentioned earlier. It says it's powered by Mapnode. So there is their pin tweet. It says Mapnode is a diverse blockchain ecosystem that provides advanced tools and services such as Mapscan, Map Central Exchange, Mapwallet, and Mapnft. So they have like a whole ecosystem of utility products aiming to create a sustainable development platform for the cryptocurrency community. The development roadmap focuses on scaling technology integration and user experience optimization. It says you can register at mapscan.tech. You can connect with them on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, 2 different Telegrams. All the links are in their pinned tweet there. And then they also have a news.bitcoin.com news article that goes over Mapnode, and that is linked there. And that is their development roadmap that they're talking about here. So it says Mapnode is an emerging as a first-of-its-kind platform in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, providing a sustainable ecosystem For its users and consultant communities, with a series of groundbreaking tools and services, Mapnode not only meets the current needs of the market, but also opens new foundations for the space blockchain. Now, Mapscan is the first tool in the ecosystem, providing accurate, transparent blockchain transaction tracking. Users can easily search and analyze transactions, smart contracts, and track events in real time. Mapscan's built-in API allows the connection of blockchain data with other applications, creating efficient connections and results in data management. Next, the Map Central Exchange is a powerful cryptocurrency exchange that provides a secure and high-speed trading platform with competitive free trading and additional services such as staking. Map Central Exchange provides users with optimal trading experience, helping to maximize profits and diversify their investment portfolio. Map Market Cap plays an important role in providing market monitoring and analysis tools. With the ability to provide information and updated data on price fluctuations, Map Market Cap supports accurate and appropriate investment decisions. And meanwhile, Mapwallet is a comprehensive e-wallet that allows users to store and manage digital assets safely and conveniently. With a direct connection to DeFi applications and fast transaction support, Mapwallet meets the needs of private and institutional investors. And Map Capital is the leading financial management and advisory service, providing portfolio optimization solutions and supporting strategic financial decisions. It also is an investment fund in the Mapnode ecosystem, specializing in financial management and portfolio optimization. With an expansion strategy, Map Capital has partnered with major investment funds such as AKR21 Shares, Bitwise, and Fidelity in the field of BTC ETF and ETH ETF. These partners help distribute stocks and bonds, creating opportunities for investors to participate in high-yield financial products. This corporation optimizes capital allocation and brings many investment benefits to the community, leveraging the potential of leading digital assets. So for artists and creators, Mapnft offers the opportunity to participate in the information NFT market by creating, issuing, and trading digital assets while protecting intellectual property rights. So if you want to check out like the full roadmap, all that type of stuff, all the links, check out their pinned tweet there. If you go to the webpage, you're going to find even more links. They have a whole About Us section about their company too. It says it was established in 2023. All sorts of cool stuff. Check it all out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.